sun shining bright. First stop's the place where the flavors take flight. First in and blowing, the taste so divine. We're here for the food, every bite's worth the time. Then we're on the road to the city so grand. Bagnets calling with the flavor so fine. Drive through the streets where history's alive. Bagnets in our hearts, we feel the vibe. And we drive through the past with the wind in our hair, to a place that's been waiting with love to share. St. Augustine of Hippo, we pray in the light. Bente Church, so sacred, shining so bright. Capture the moment, memories to keep, with a photo and a story for the soul so deep. Bente Watchtower, standing tall through the years, a symbol of strength with no fears. From one thick 91 to a bell tower's grace, we travel this journey all in one place. I'm walking through history with the breeze so sweet. Every corner we turn, every step we meet. Bente Church whispers stories untold, a place full of faith, both young and old. And the watchtower rises above the town, a landmark of strength, never backing down. The bell rings loud, we hear the sound. In this moment, we're all truly found. And we drive through the past with the wind in our hair, to a place that's been waiting with love to share. St. Augustine of Hippo, we pray in the light. Bente Church, so sacred, shining so bright. Capture the moment, memories to keep, with a photo and a story for the soul so deep. Bente Watchtower, standing tall through the years, a symbol of strength with no fears. From one thick 91 to a bell tower's grace, we travel this journey all in one place. From the city and along to the watchtower's view, every step we take feels so brand new. St. Augustine's blessing, we feel it today. Bente, your coast, where memories stay.
Ay, 10 ba yan?
In the heart of Wigan, where time stands still, a house of stories upon the hill. Here lived a hero, a priest so brave, who stood for justice, the truth he gave. Our father Jose Burgos, whose name resounds in every corner, in every town. A voice of courage, a guiding flame. Your legacy lives, we speak your name. Step inside this home so grand, feel the spirit of our land. In every wall, in every stone, lies the heart of a hero's home. For freedom and faith, he made his stand, a hero's soul in the sacred land. The creak of floors, the echoes speak of dreams he fought for, the rights we seek. Through trials harsh and chains of pain, his voice remains, it won't be tamed. Oh, Father Jose Burgos, so strong, so true, your spirit guides what we pursue. In Wigan's heart, your story thrives, in every step, your dream's alive. Step inside this home so grand, feel the spirit of our land. In every wall, in every stone, lies the heart of a hero's home. For freedom and faith, he made his stand, a hero's soul in the sacred land. Through these halls, we walk with pride, with every memory, you're by our side. A priest, a leader, for all to see, your sacrifice sets our spirits free. Step inside this home so grand, feel the spirit of our land. In every wall, in every stone, lies the heart of a hero's home. For freedom and faith, he made his stand, a hero's soul in the sacred land. Oh, Wigan whispers your name so clear, Father Jose Burgos, we hold you dear. A legacy etched in every heart, from your home, our dreams will start. of a local sir, where history breeds every corner's a lure. From the library to tales of the past, this journey's a story, a memory to last. Walk into a drug-free jail so surreal, in cell no 3, capturing what we feel. Four side walls buzzing in their frame, meet Penny, Gillandine, and Baby Sam by name. Time slows down, we're caught in its sway, through the echoes of a long gone day. From the walls to the treasures untold, every moment's a story in gold. Let's take a walk through the pages of time, where the past and the present beautifully rhyme. From the Passy revolt to portraits so true, a local tourist got a story for you. Next to the museum where his mother's grace lives on in the objects that time will erase. Sugarcane mills and jars that gleam, searching samples woven like a dream. Hair clips, walking sticks, and glass and shapes, dry leaves, rendered elegant escapes. 15 paintings till the Passy revolt fight, we stand with light, capturing the light. Time slows down, we're caught in its sway, through the echoes of a long gone day. From the walls to the treasures untold, every moment's a story in gold. Let's take a walk through the pages of time, where the past and the present beautifully rhyme. From the Passy revolt to portraits so true, a local tourist got a story for you. To the stone well, the backyard calls, pennies on the stairs where history falls. A room where Quirino once took a stand, oaths were sworn, dreams in command. Photos of speeches, audience engaged, scenes where history's drama was staged. Beyond the room, a president's home, portraits and memories where we roam. Let's take a walk through the pages of time, where the past and the present beautifully rhyme. From the Passy revolt to portraits so true, a local tourist got a story for you. So here we are, where stories blend in a local sir, where time won't end. Every step is a picture we'll keep, a journey through history, memories steep.
Nakalaban.
Kailangan na kama? Hindi, okay lang.
Wala. Tatanong natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba. Ano po yung 100 eh?
Yung 100 po, tatlong station lang. So doon po sa 250 buong Baluarte po. Kada station bababa kayo, iba't ibang shuttle po yung masasakyan. So doon na po first station na po yung pupunta nyo, doon po kayo sasakay. So mag-take pictures muna bago po pumila. So may binibigay na number, tinatawag po.
Kasama na yung tour guide.
Wala pong tour guide yun, ma'am. Driver tour guide lang po.
Ito yung kapuntahan.
Yung tatlo lang po rin, ma'am. Doon po sa 100. Doon sa package
Lahat.
yung tatlo, may kasama na po siyang giraffe.
Oo, ano, 10 years old lang kami lahat.
Bali, yung 250 kasama na doon yung entrance.
Oo. Eh, 250. Saan po ba doon? Kuya. Paano nila malalaman 250 yung atin?
Alam na yan nila.
Hindi.
Ditatak tayo.
Paano nalalaman ko yung may shutter kami?
Napakain mo na?
Oo, kinain agad dito eh. Laki oh! Camel.
Ang takaw! Iba naman, oh, iba naman.
Kinain niya agad.
Ayaw mo?
Hindi, nakita niyo. Okay lang yan. Yun, ikaw, umula katin. Tara. Kala, kikis mo naman agad ako eh. Gusto.
Ikaw, yung sa'yo.
Ano sa'yo? Sige kay kuya. Kuya, kapigil ka daw isa. Mabilis eh.
Lapit mo.
Laki oh.
Iba na pa, bigyan mo ng iba.
Tara na, tara na.
Oh, smile, smile.
Kuya. Picture na namin ni Ate Len. Kuya.
Yung kambing na
Nyo, yung number natin.
Hello! Shit, nakakatakot siya. Hi!
May number.
Ay, natatakot ako!
Layo mo eh. Hindi.
Malayo mo eh.
Malambot kasi yung ano mo eh. Kuya, bigyan mo nga malambot yung ano niya eh.
Dalawa. Eh, lapit ka lang ma'am, lapit ka lang.
Lapit.
Ay!
Ano mo si baby?
Baby! Nakatingin siya sa ano eh, sa animal eh.
Nakatingin din sa camel.
Camel. Oh. Hello, reindeer.
Reindeer.
Dali, akin na!
Reindeer.
Kuya, isa pa po para sa kanya.
Red nose reindeer.
Likod dito ka na likod. Ay, may kumuha dito.
Baka manipa.
Grabe eh.
Ostrich, ostrich.
Ay, paano yan? Yung pag...
Ikaw, picture lang kita. Ito yung unicorn. Yung, ano bang tawag ito? Kabayo lang din? Ano ka ba? Anong lahi ka? Hello.
Si Vice ganda.
Si Vice ganda?
Nice smile!
Oh, diba?
Diba? Diba? Diba wala ka?
Ikaw, binagong mo
Ikaw ang picture kasi eh. Marunong ka ba?
Oh, diba? Hindi nga eh. Kaya nga gusto ko lang isama eh.
Oh, dito sa gitna oh.
Wala na. Nakakong na ako eh.
Oh, kamay-kamay lang dyan.
Hearts are alive, taking calls, we're ready to arrive. Through the gates, the wild comes near. A world of wonder, the zoo is here. Smiles all around, my family love abounds. Every corner, a story to keep. All the water's magic, memories deep. Leading giraffes, their heads so high.
Hello dear.
Hindi po yung anak. Kasi po, yung kanis gusto ko.
Wala may single pa sa inyo? Oh no! Single po sa inyo ba yan?
Yung ano eh, kailangan namin kuya yung... Oy, kailangan namin kuya yung payat, yung payat.
Payat ang hanap nito.
Payat ang hanap.
Payat pala eh, di itong hayop pag nagay mo. Ito lahat, buhay ka na, 2,000 isang araw. Ayan na, sinipiling na.
Pakain? Hindi ba libre yan? Hindi po. Hindi na ako papakain. Tayo marap. Yan. Hello, giraffe. Hello! Yan.
para maganda yung... Ano yung mga camera niyo para maganda?
Dito, patalikod ka daw. Mga turo kami daw, ay kuya.
Diyos ko po!
Tabi kayo bilog ni kuya mo. Dali para dalawa kayo. Dali. Mamaya na.
Hindi, meron si Bilog ko.
Kamay mo, para mataas yung ano.
Bakit kamay ko? Ikaw na pa. Kamay mo.
Baon na yun. Ito ang baon, giraffe.
27 years.
Ay, yan.
Tato. Galing sa dito lang po kayo mamo, igaganito na.
Ayoko.
Kaya nangangawala kayo. Bakit
sige lang laway?
Teka.
Dali.
Anin ko ha, ito.
Ay, wait
Ito,
lang.
ano, palapasin mo dito.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smell. Okay. Oh, yan. Sabi lang sir.
Ayos pa.
Pagkita mo yung pagkain mo. Sa gitna mo. Go!
Sa gitna mo. Hindi ka na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Takot na.
Marang dumaki yung balayibo.
Group picture po kayo ma'am. Group picture.
Keep all the water's magic, memories deep, eating giraffes, their heads so high, watching tigers with a glimmer in their eyes.
Hindi naman ako eh. Hello. Ang pangalan ko ya? King.
Hindi yan. Wala ka sa rito.
Naganda ko niya, Adeline.
Dito ka na.
Chicken, ilang kilo yan, kuya?
Ilang kilo yan, kuya? Ilang kilo? 5.
Isang kilo. Ilang kilo daw?
Ano yung merienda pa lang niya?
Bigyan naman siguro si Coach. Magaling mo. Pati buto pinakalayo.
Wala, hindi mo ko nga lang.
Ang laki, grabe.
Ay, nalaglag. Nalaglag.
Watching tigers with a glimmer in their eyes.
Hindi siya magsulit. Basta hindi siya ginugitan. Pag ginugitan siya, miss ba?
Magda-ide niya.
Hindi. Talaga talaga yun.
Baka umihi. Baka umihi ulit.
Bay, garunan lang.
Every moment's a treasure, every view's brand new. Sun's burning bright, but we don't care. Adventure's calling, there's joy everywhere. With my
Laki oh! Ito, hindi mo normal, eh. Hindi ka talaga sa Tagaytay.
Dito ka.
Ang laki eh. Yun pa, yung lalaki, yun sa loob. Tumayo.
Babae.
Hindi, sa loob pa.
May anak ko.
Oh, laki ng lalaki oh. Ayun, lalaki yun, pag ganyan.
Layon yun, layon.
Simba! Layon din naman to.
Tiger yan. Oh, wait, layon.
Babae to, ito yung lalaki, ganun.
Ba't kaya siya nakakulong?
Eh baka,
Kasi buntis eh.
baka binababa lagi ba?
Diyan na play mo yung MGM.
Ayun, isa ka.
Joke lang. Joke lang.
Hindi.
Jela, sila!
Jela! Silin!
Yun, ano pangalan natin? Si King. Jela, Silin!
Silin! Jela!
Jela.
Jela, come here!
Di ba alam mag-English?
Jela, fetch! Ang laki, no?
Jela!
Hindi sila payat, ano?
Hindi
Alaga sila.
Hindi sila.
Hindi katulad sa
Hindi
Manila.
tinipid. Hindi tinipid.
loved ones walking side by side, exploring the hectares, landscapes wide. Follow wires, their treasures remain. Time may pass, but memories sustain. The gallery grows.
Hello!
Hello,
What's up? Nim pala! Diba pala?
Natingin sa'yo ate. Natingin sa'yo kuya ninyo. Hoy, naka-alert kuya ninyo.
Alert mode oh, alert mode.
Wala na.
Oh.
The gallery grows, a hunter's tale. Trophies stand, every detail unveiled. Whispers of journeys.
Marco Polo, yung pala yun. Nakakuli niya talaga. Oo.
nasisira po, gaya ng mata, hindi lang, dapat yung mata. Kasi hindi po siya pwede.
Yung mga ngipin ko to.
Opo, yung hindi po pwede masira. Yun
Hindi matunaw.
yung talaga po kasi nila mga kapal. Ayun po. Kaya mapapalis po, may talit po.
Ay, yung balat. Yun ang original.
Ay, may tahi oh.
Opo,
Picture.
The stories they hold, a museum of life, his story retold. Tribal dancers, the sunsets glow. Rhythms rise as the cool winds blow. Clapping our hands, we join the vibe. The spirit of Baluarte is so alive.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. 1, taas ka ba? 2, 3.